In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use a new feature found in the firmware, which is sync clock with GPS. Now, the normal way we would normally do this is we can use this GPS satellites to help set our time. What we normally would do is go into a profile activity, choose it, wait for the GPS, stop the activity, and then discard the activity to set it. Now, with the latest firmware, December 2017, we would just need to get into our settings, and we're going to go down to our system, and we need to get to our clock or time, and you can see here that we have our sync with GPS, and that will do the same thing, but you will do it through the clock menu. Now, what would be even better is to have a tap one key into it. So this is where we're going to assign a hotkey to it. So this is where we're going to repurpose the up or the start or the back button to do this. So let's get back to our menu. Let's go into settings, and let's get into system, and we're going to go to hotkeys, and we're going to repurpose the hold back. So we're going to press start, and from here we have a whole bunch of functions that we can assign this. So not only the sync with GPS, but we have a whole bunch here. So we can choose sync time, and there you go. So now when we go back, instead of going through the menu systems, we can just press and hold back, and there you go. And that will sync the time via the GPS satellites. And there you go. That's how you do it. Make sure you have the December 2017 firmware for the Fenix 3 or 3HR, and you should be good to go.